Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using a Midea Duo portable air conditioner and wondering whether you need to drain it, here's exactly how it works and when manual draining becomes necessary. Under normal conditions, the Midea Duo is designed with a self-evaporative system that automatically manages condensation. As the unit cools your room, moisture is collected, evaporated, and pushed out through the exhaust hose, so regular draining is usually not required. However, there are certain situations where manual drainage is unavoidable. In very humid environments, during long continuous operation, or when the unit is running in dehumidifier mode, moisture can build up faster than the self-evaporative system can handle. When this happens, the air conditioner will display a P1 error code, which means the internal water tray is full and needs to be emptied. To manually drain the unit, first turn it off and unplug it for safety. Locate the bottom drain port at the back of the unit and place a shallow pan underneath. Slowly remove the drain cap and allow the water to flow out. Gently tilting the unit backward helps remove any remaining water. Once fully drained, securely replace the cap before restarting the unit. If you live in a high humidity area, using continuous drainage is the better option. Attach a drain hose to the lower port and route it downward into a drain or container. With proper maintenance, the Midea Duo rarely needs manual draining and will continue running efficiently.